In the waveform, if we analyze the waveform, that is it will be the odd and even bit, that is odd bits and even bits. So for phi 1 of t, we are taking the odd number of bits, first, third, fifth and 7, and for s2 of t, or say the coefficient si2, we will take the even numbered bits, that is for second, fourth, sixth and 8th. ठीक है. So these d bits, the odd number and even number bits are available for complete d bit duration. ठीक है. That is for this 0, that is 0 is having the phase of that is we have considered that the two components are of individual are the psk. ठीक है. So si1 phi 1 of t is 1 psk, si2 phi 2 of t, si2 phi 2 of t is second psk. So this 0 is available for the 2 bit duration. ठीक है. So we will have the phase shift of pi. ठीक है. फेज शिफ्ट ऑफ पाई, तो पाई है तो वी आर यूजिंग द पोलरिटी माइनस, एंड फॉर 1 वी आर यूजिंग द पोलरिटी 1. ठीक है. सो 1 इज हैविंग पोलरिटी ऑफ 0. ठीक है. पोलरिटी ऑफ पाई एंड फेज ऑफ 0. ठीक है. सो दिस 1 इज विल बी अवेलेबल फॉर 2 बिट्स. ठीक है. सिमिलरली दिस 1 विल बी अवेलेबल फॉर 2 बिट्स एंड दिस 0 इज अवेलेबल फॉर 2 बिट्स. सिमिलरली फॉर द even numbered sequence, that is 1, this 0 and this 0 and this 0. So we will have the phase shift left. So for 1 we are having the positive polarity, that is phase 0. So it will, that it is the sign, phi 2 is the sign, so it will have the sine wave. ठीक है. Similarly for 0 is having the negative polarity or phase shift of pi, so it will be started from negative side. ठीक है. Similarly for this 0 and 0. ठीक है. Adding these two, that is si1 phi 1 of t plus si2 phi 2 of t, you will get the signal si of t, which is the QPSK waveform. ठीक है. So for coherent detection, we partition the signal into space into 4 regions. The individual region is defined by the set of symbols closest to the message point represented by message vector s1, s2, s3 and s4. Thus we find that the decision regions are quadrants whose vertices coincide with the origin z1, z4. Origins are z1, z2, z3 and z4. ठीक है. According to the message points around which they are constructed. ठीक है. we have to mix the signal space and the waveform. ठीक है. waveform, from waveform you have having the signal space. ठीक है. so in the signal space it is for the coherent detection. Main thing of signal space is for detection of the signal. ठीक है. how the signal will be detected, whether it is s1 of t, s2 of t, s3 of t or s3 or s4 of t. ठीक है. so it is the QPSK, about the QPSK waveform. Now we will generate the QPSK signal. So as you can see from the waveform, there it is having the two parts, odd part and even part. ठीक है. odd part is si1 phi 1 of t. ठीक है. si1 phi 1 of t is nothing but this. si1 phi 1 of t is this, which is to under root 2e by t cos 2 pi 2i minus 1 pi by 4 2 pi fct. ठीक है. so si1 क्या रहेगा आपका, इसको छोड़ के, दैट इज अंडर रूट ई. अंडर रूट ई विल बी द अंडर रूट ई cos 2i minus 1 pi by 4. ठीक है. इट विल बी द अंडर रूट ई cos 2i minus 1 pi by 4. ठीक है. सो वी विल हैव फ्रॉम दिस. ठीक है. सो यू कैन सी द QPSK having the two components, which is si1 phi 1 of t and si2 phi 2 of t, and si1 phi 1 of t and si2 phi 2 are the individual BPSK. So and phi 1 of t is having the cos carrier, phi 2 is having the sine carrier. ठीक है. so we will have the two cos carrier and then adding these two signals. इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो आपको क्या मिलेगा, QPSK सिग्नल. so बिल्कुल सेम लॉजिक हम यहाँ पर अप्लाई करेंगे. we are having the binary data sequence, again having the polar NRZ level encoder, and we will use the demultiplexer. ठीक है. this demultiplexer which is used in the communication, not in the digital circuit. it is the demultiplexer of communication. ठीक है. so which will divide the sequence into a1 of t and a2 of t, that is the odd numbered bits and even numbered bits. ठीक है. odd numbered bits is carrier is multiplexed with phi 1 of t, and phi a2 of t, that is the even numbered, is multiplexed with phi 2 of t. ठीक है. and it will have the two individual PSK signals, a1 of t phi 1 of t. ठीक है. and a2 of t phi 2 of t. adding these two we will get the QPSK signal s of t. ठीक है. so it is the transmitter, and similarly you can have the coherent reception of QPSK. ठीक है. so we are using coherent detection. so बिल्कुल सेम है. यहाँ पर हम क्या यूज करेंगे, we will use 2 BPSK coherent receiver. ठीक है. then these two components will be multiplexed together. ठीक है. at the receiver side. ठीक है. So again again x of t is multiplex with phi 1 of t as well as phi 2 of t. ठीक है. Phi 1 of t will give the phi 1 of t, the this part will be the in phase channel, ठीक है, which will detect the